Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhavi Chowdary, founder of Celebrity Secrets, and today I'm here to discuss the non-surgical secret to a perfect V-shaped face. So, if you're looking to sculpt your face, you're in the right place. In this video, I will explain how V-shape facelift treatment can give you a quick, painless way to define your jawline and give you that youthful V-shaped face. As we age, our skin loses collagen and elasticity, making the face look less defined. Our V-shape facelift starts with an advanced plant-based stem cell therapy, our most sought-after treatment to naturally rejuvenate your skin. So, how does it work? We begin with plant-based stem cells and Phytostemcell therapy, an organic treatment harnessing potential botanical extracts. This therapy stimulates your skin's innate regenerative process and promotes natural collagen production. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, paving the way for smoother, healthier skin. The treatment supports stem cell survival, encouraging cell proliferation and improved skin texture. Ultimately, your skin becomes firmer, more radiant, and visibly rejuvenated through nature's own healing power. There are also a few tips I would like to suggest to maintain your results, like it's important to protect your skin from sun damage. Follow a good skincare routine and come in for maintenance treatments every 6 to 12 months. A healthy lifestyle also goes a long way in keeping that sculpted, youthful appearance. At Celebrity Secrets, we use the most natural methods and latest technology, customized treatments for your skin type, and ensure real results. Our expert team is here to help you look and feel your best. Get the most sought after V-shape facelift transformation that even celebrities are flying in from other cities to experience firsthand, now designed just for you at Celebrity Secrets. Let's discuss your goals and craft the perfect plan for you. Book a consultation today at Celebrity Secrets.